Oh, that's what she said? When she called, did she tell you her name? What department is it? You'll be laughing. I think the department is services.
It's been 1 hour and I can't fucking go to sleep because of this shit.